In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file to your Weebly website. This process is straightforward and efficient. If you are aiming to enhance your website with downloadable content for your visitors, you've come to the right place. Let's jump into the steps you'll need to follow to get this done in no time. First things first, head over to Weebly's website where you'll be greeted by their homepage. If you haven't already, log into your account by entering your email and password. This is crucial to access your editable site and begin making changes. After you've entered your credentials, click on the login button. If you're new to Weebly, don't worry, it's user-friendly and designed to help you create amazing websites effortlessly. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard where you will see an option labeled Edit Site. Click on this option as it takes you directly into the editing mode of Weebly, where all the creative magic happens. Being in editing mode opens the door to various functionalities, including adding different elements to your site. At this point, you want to click on the Edit option. This ensures that you are fully immersed in the editor interface, allowing you to explore various site building tools and features. Your next stop is the Build tab, located on the left side of your screen. Clicking on Build will display a plethora of elements that you can use to enhance your website. Now we need to see all the elements available to us, so proceed by clicking Show All Elements. This action expands the element list, providing you with access to the comprehensive set of tools Weebly offers. The feature we're interested in today is the File element. Locate it, and then click and drag the File element onto your page. Where you choose to drop it determines where your file link will appear, so pick a spot your visitors will easily find. After placing the file element on your page, you'll notice an option that says, click here to upload file. Select this to initiate the file upload process. A prompt will appear with the upload file button. Click this button and the system will guide you to file exploration on your device. Choose upload file from computer, which allows you to browse your folders for the desired file you wish to upload. Remember, the file should be something beneficial for your audience, perhaps a downloadable guide, an ebook, or a helpful PDF. Once you have selected your file, Weebly will upload it, and there you have it, your file is now linked to your Weebly site. You've successfully added a new dimension of functionality to your website, making it an even more informative and resourceful platform for your visitors. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to upload files to your Weebly website, enhancing its capability and appeal. I hope this guide has been helpful, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on building the perfect